Okay, so for this lesson, we're going to discuss about ratio and proportion. Okay, so we have here ratio, the comparison of two quantities using division. Okay, so when it's a ratio, we are going to compare two quantities and with the use of our division. Okay, so in division, we can use that as to represent using our fraction form. So for example, we have here 3. In the fraction form, we have 3 over 2, and in the column form, we have 3 to 2. Okay, so by the way, this is read as 3 to 2. Okay, so that is our first example. So second example, so in a certain class, there are 15 boys and 5 girls. How many times larger is the number of boys than of the girls? Okay, so we'll be having there, first step is we have to write this one 15 to 5. As it says here, we have okay, so the number of boys than that of the girls. So this is 15 here is the number of the boys, and we have 5 as the number of the girls. Okay, and all we have to do that in this case is we will just have to divide or reduce to its lowest term. So what is 15 divided by 5? So we'll be having there 3. Okay, so meaning that we have, okay, so the number of boys is thrice that of the girls. Okay, so again, all we have to do here is we just have to reduce or divide. So 15 divided by 3, or 15 divided by 5, that's 3. Or that is the same as 3 over 1. Okay? Okay, so we also have here the proportion. So when we say proportion, this refers to the equality of two ratios. Okay? So in proportion, to verify if two ratios are proportional, we have the product of the extreme should be equal to the product of the means. Okay, so again, the product of the extremes should be equal to the product of the means. Okay, to elaborate that one, we can use this example. So we have here 4 to 6, and we have 6 to 9. Okay, so we also have here the column form, so which is 4 to 6, and we have here 6 to 9. Okay, so when you say extremes, this is the numerator of the first ratio and the denominator of the second ratio. Or in the column form we have here, okay, so in the column form we have our outer terms. Okay, the outer numbers we have here 4 and 9. Okay, now how about the means? So when you say means, this is the denominator of the first ratio and the numerator of the second ratio. Okay, or in the column form we have the inner numbers, which is here 6 and 6. Okay, to verify again, the product of each should be equal. Okay, so we're going to multiply the extremes, which is 4 and 9, and then multiply the means, which is 6 and 6. Okay, so that would be 4 times 9 and should be equal to 6 times 6. So what is 4 times 9? So that would be 36, and 6 times 6, that would be 36. Okay, so as you can observe, they are equal. So 36 is equal to 36, meaning that our ratios here is proportional. Okay, okay, so another example. So we have, let's verify this true proportion if they are proportional. Two ratios if they are proportional. So we'll be having there 1 to 5 and 10 to 20. Okay, so again, in column form, we have 1 to 5 and then 10 to 20. Okay, so our extremes here is we have there 1 and 20. Okay, for the means, we have there 5 and 10. Okay, now we're going to multiply to verify if they are proportional. Okay, so extremes to extremes, we have be having there 1 times 20, and means we have 5 times 10 times 5, or 5 times 10. Okay, So what is 1 times 20? So we'll be having there 20, and 10 times 5 we have 50. So as you can observe, 20 is not equal to 50. Okay? So meaning our two ratios here is not proportional. So go back with the original one, that is not proportional. Even the colon form. Okay? So that is for the proportion. Thank you and God bless. And always stay safe.
Shout out po kay Sir Absalon Dulagan Sabit. Siya po ang nag-discuss sa topic na ito. And thank you very much for watching this video.